5 features that you definitely need to know about the Audi S6. Clean rear view camera by pushing the wiper lever backwards. A stunning 360 camera view of the vehicle so that you can see literally every corner. There are multiple options to open the trunk. Raise or lower the vehicle via the Audi Drive Select menu. Turn on or off the Audi Lane Assist by pushing the button on the end of the lever of the turn signals. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment behind if you'd like to learn more about other Audi tech options, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.